Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you are selling products or subscriptions with Squarespace in 2026, setting up taxes correctly is essential for legal compliance and customer trust. Squarespace can automatically calculate taxes or let you set them manually, depending on your country and needs. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to set up taxes in Squarespace in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So first thing first, open the tax settings. Okay, so log into Squarespace, open your website, go home, and then look for taxes. So you have to find taxes. Okay, if you don't, I think you have to upgrade your account somehow, because there are some options that cannot be found unless you have a subscribed account. Okay, so now this is where all tax rules are managed. So when you get into taxes, Squarespace offers two methods: automatic task calculates tax automatically by location and supports sales tax and VAT. Updates rates automatically, so it's best for most online stores. We have manual task rates also, so you define task rates yourself, full control, higher responsibility. It's used only if you know exactly what you are doing. Okay, we have enable automatic tasks, so this is the easiest option. Click enable automatic task. You will be asked to confirm your business location, select countries, regions you sell to. Squarespace handles location-based task calculation and rates updates. Okay, so it's ideal for beginners and international sellers. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.